All right, let's see what packs we get. See a Donruss right there, right in the front. Let's open this up. Open the bad boy. What is this in the back? A Mad Lids. Oh, that's funny. What's up, Believe the Hype? How you doing? Oh, jeez. What is all this? Okay, so there's the Donruss. And here's the rest. That's crazy. They put the Donruss like in a little thing like that, and then the rest is hidden back there. This is funny. Should we open this first? I'm gonna open this first. Mad Lids. I guess this is the bonus item that comes with it, right? Oh. Mad Lids. What teams do we get? What the? What the heck just happened? Everything's just pouring out. We got a Dolphins. And a Browns. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. That's funny. I'll have to put those together. I'll do a Raz for the Mad Lids. That's too funny though. Alright, we'll see what packs we got now. Okay, so we got a 2013 Prestige. We got a 2015, two 2015 scores, three 2015 scores, a 1991 Series 1. Oh my gosh. University of Alabama. A 2018 Leaf Draft Football. And then the Donruss 2016. Oh man. I'm going to start with the Alabama. Let's go. It's tearing right open. Oh, look at that. Nick Saban. Oh, Lord. Roll Tide roll through the years. Oh, my gosh. Ozzie Newsome, 1974 to 77. Wow. Maybe you'll get lucky. Maybe. Who knows? Sean Alexander, 96 to 99. Pretty dope. Leroy Jordan, 1961 it looks like. Antonio Langham, 92 and 93. Another Roll Tide roll. Looks like kind of says September 10th, 2005. The catch versus Southern Miss, grabbing a ball on a defender's back to set up a touchdown. Nice. Mark Ingram. What? What? I've heard of him. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Like, I probably wouldn't go out of my way to buy it, but it's pretty cool. Let's do the Leaf. 2018 Baker Mayfield. Let's see what we get in here. 2018 Leaf. What do we got? What do we got? Get that out of here. Calvin Ridley. Got DJ Clark. Riley Ferguson. Bo Scarborough. And Kurt Benkert. Rip. Nothing really much there. Let's do this 1991 Series 1. 14 photo and stat cards, 1 NFL Pro Set playbook. Hey, but I could win a trip to the Pro Bowl. Sweet. Oh my gosh. It's so stretchy and flimsy. Anybody know if there's anything good in this one? Indianapolis Colts head coach. Right on. Another head coach of the 49ers, George Seifert, probably butchering that name. Christian Okoye, running back, Chiefs. Rice, oh yeah, Rice, there we go. Bernie Kosar, quarterback of the Cleveland Browns. Albert Lewis, cornerback of the Kansas City Chiefs. A lot of coaches. Rich Kotite of the Eagles. I don't know. Rodney Peete, quarterback of the Lions. Okay, was a beast, was he? Nice. I'll have to keep that one. Brian Noble, the Packers. Tommy Age, Cowboys. Greg Townsend of the Los Angeles Raiders. Otis Anderson, New York Giants milestone. So glad they don't. Yeah. When you see a coach card, it's kind of like, aw. Super Bowl replay. Guyton breaks up 2 key passes. Nice. Good job, Guyton. Good job. What the? And officials? Red catch. Oh, guys, this right here, this is better than any Zion. Any Zion, any card, any Lamar Jackson. This is it right there. Oh, see, this one's pretty cool. Randall McDaniel. That's a nice name. Randall McDaniel. Jason Garrett of the San Antonio Riders. What is that? San Antonio Riders? That's nuts. And if you guys want to win a trip, see your points. Oh, rub off. Oh, let's see if this was a winner. Let's see if it was a winner. Would I have been lucky in 1981? I don't have a coin. Thought that would have worked. I'll find a coin and rub it off. We'll do that later. Okay, let's do the score. What do we got? 2015 score. All right. Joseph Randall. Anton Bethea. Jerome Simpson. The designs of these cards aren't too bad. They kind of blend in with everything though on the bottom. Rod Streeter. Devonta Freeman. LaShawn McCoy. What? That's dope. Give that to my brother-in-law. Ooh, what's this? What is it? Oh, shit! Jeremy Maclin? Oh, shoot! We got an auto! We pulled an auto. Dope. That's cool. That's legit. J.J. Nelson. Yeah, that is a nice McCoy. That Maclin auto. Josh Robinson. Got Trey Williams. Kelvin Benjamin, sophomore selections. Team leaders, Russell Wilson, Marshawn Lynch, Doug Baldwin, and Michael Bennett. Nice. Jeez. Okay, we pulled some fire here, guys. Got an auto. Got an auto from this. I don't know how much it's worth, but it's pretty dope. 2 back-to-back Eagle Fire. LaShawn McCoy. And Jeremy Maclin auto. That's dope. Yin Yang strikes again, guys. Yin Yang strikes again. We got 2 more from Score too, so you better watch it. Here we come. Score all day. Ooh, Jimmy Graham. Cole Beasley. Tamba Hali. Marquise Colston. Nice. Patrick Peterson. Mercedes Lewis. Ooh, look at that team leaders. Breeze, Ingram, Kenny Stills. What's that say? Junior Gillette? That's cool. That's awesome. Score's doing it. Quan Alexander. Darren Smith. Eli Harold. Ooh, Kurt Warner of the Rams. Gridiron Heritage. Doug Flutie, Gridiron Heritage. That's nice. Okay, like seriously, Score, what's up here? I've always passed on numbered leaders green. No, it's just a base. I looked. That's freaking cool though. Seriously, I've been like passing on Score. Like maybe I shouldn't anymore. It's been pretty fire. Okay, last Score. TJ Ward. Is Score nowadays good? Or these are pretty nice. Clay Matthews. Jordan Reed. Oh my gosh, come on guys. Eric Decker. Really? Seriously? Zach Stacy. Oh, you see that gold? Percy Harvin. Little sneak peek. Woo. Andy Dalton. Come on, bruh. Come on. Oh, poor Dalton. 7 out of 50. I mean, any Dalton collectors out there? That's still pretty cool, though. It's a nice looking card, regardless. Jeez, these packs are no joke, though. I only spent 15 bucks on this. Not bad. Not bad at all. Got PJ Williams. You like that, Dalton? Yeah, I mean, it's nice. It's unfortunate that, past year he hasn't done really good. Duke Johnson. Jesse James. And another team leaders. Cam Newton, Jonathan Stewart, Kelvin Benjamin, and Charles Johnson. Oh, there's a heritage. Ozzie Newsome of the Browns. Okay, for real, like, Score. Freaking scored with Score. Are scores like this nowadays or no? Because that was fire. I might have to pick up some Score the next time I go. Alright, we'll do the Prestige. Because, I don't know, I like Don Russ. Like, it's one of my favorite looking cards. So, I'll save that for last. Just do the Prestige. Let's go. And Prestige. Match to Score. Because Score was fire. We got Cam Newton in the back, though. Rob Gronkowski. Patrick Willis. Brandon Myers. Oh! Trent Richardson. That is cool. That is awesome. Stars of the NFL, Trent Richardson. Not numbered or anything, but that is cool. Pulling some nice stuff here. That's cool. Niall Davis. Steven Jackson. I remember that guy. He was pretty freaking good. Brandon Pettigrew. And then Cam Newton. Okay. Okay. Dang. Got some nice stuff. All right, Donruss, let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. Take a little drink of coffee here. Let's go, Donruss. You gotta bring it. You're the last pack. Sean Lee. Teddy Bridgewater. Teddy Bridgewater. What's up, J Card? What's up, J Cards? Steve Largent. Len Dawson. Len Dawson. Steve Smith Sr. He was good. He was a nice receiver. Kobe Fleener. Hey, production line. Devonta Freeman. 14 TDs. Look at that. Got a rated rookie. Jonathan Willis. And that is it. Alright, so the highlights. The highlights, guys. Got this Stars of the NFL. Trent Richardson. Love the look of that. Got this Andy Dalton out of 50. That's nice. Gold zone. Got a team leaders here for the Saints. Got a LaShawn McCoy. And here we go. Jeremy Maclin. We pulled an auto. Yeah, not too bad for $15. Not too bad at all. I didn't expect to get an auto at all, or a numbered. So, I mean, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm pretty happy with it. Where's the box? It came from this box. So if you guys see these, okay, maybe not 15, $12.99, a little bit less. So if you guys see these at Target when you go, I would say pick it up, to be honest. Because, one, you get some random packs. Two, you get a bonus item. We got some Mad Lids. But I think what I like about it is you get random packs. I am such an undecisive person sometimes when it comes to choosing packs that this is just a godsend for me. It just is like, here's 8 packs. Have fun. So yeah, I like it. I think I got this at Target, to be honest. I think I got this at Target. So if you go to Target, check this out, RKO. I don't think they're at Walmart. I think I got mixed up because I went to Walmart today. Target was yesterday.